GitHub AI Models for Beginners, explained and explored with demo. In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets of GitHub AI Models. To get started, log into your GitHub profile. Once you're in, click on the three lines in the top left corner and select the Marketplace option. You'll see examples of models like Meta Llama 3 and OpenAI GPT-4o Mini. Let's demonstrate one of the GitHub account personal models by trying out the list of GitHub models. We'll start with OpenAI GPT-4o. Here, you can see the model respond to a simple hello there prompt. Using the playground, you can also adjust parameters like the system prompt and temperature. After making adjustments, you can interact with the system further and enter additional prompts. GPT-4o looks impressive. Now let's explore another system, such as Phi 3 Mini Instruct. We'll evaluate its response and see that it performs well. Additionally, you can navigate to the Details page to gather more information through the README, Evaluation, and Transparency tabs. To start using the code, simply click the Code button, where you'll find Getting Started instructions. You can even use a GitHub codespace to create a pre-configured development environment complete with SDKs and sample code. We can also update the code by using Phi 3 Mini 4K Instruct. Additionally, we'll modify the prompt and continue with our experiment. GitHub Models reduces barriers as you explore and experiment with AI models. Start your journey in creating AI-powered applications by joining the waitlist for GitHub Models.